Rectify following errors in books of Zubeda. Okay. A credit purchase of ₹1,000 from Zoya not posted in her account. So it is just not posted in her account. Not that purchase account maintain उसमें गड़बड़ हुआ, posting में गड़बड़ हुआ. So let's try and find out the solution. We have same method, right, wrong, reverse and rectified. Credit purchase of 1,000 from Zoya. So entry should have been purchase account debit to Zoya. How much? 1,000. Okay. A credit purchase of ₹1,000 from Zoya not being posted to her account. What does that mean? What is the wrong entry? It is not posted to her account. Purchase तो correct ही था पर उसको Zoya account में नहीं डाला. So purchase account debit was done, but to Zoya's this part was absent. So keep it blank because Zoya account may not posted to her account, so keep it blank. Okay. Now reverse of what is wrong. So dash account debit because it was not posted, and credit the purchase account. So to purchase. Now what will be the rectified entry? You have to compare the right entry and the reverse entry. So purchase and purchase can be cancelled. Cancel purchase and purchase, debit and credit. So cancel it. So it is your dash account debit and credit Zoya account. So to Zoya. And the amount is 1,000. Now note that an entry is not complete if one side is absent. So we don't have to pass any entry for rectification as the debit side is missing. For rectification, what you have to do is just credit Zoya's account. So your answer will be no entry as debit missing, and for rectification just credit Zoya account by 1,000. Credit Zoya account by 1,000. This is your solution. You cannot pass an entry till you have something to your debit and something to your credit. Here the debit is missing, so no entry will be passed. Just credit Zoya's account by 1,000. Now the second point of this question. Rectify following errors in books of Zubeda. Second point. A cash sales of ₹5,000 correctly recorded in cash book but not posted at all in the sales account. So let's try. The right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry and your rectified entry. A cash sale of ₹5,000. So the right entry will be cash account debit to sales account 5,000, right? Correctly recorded in cash book. So we have correctly recorded in cash book but not posted at all in sales account. Means what we did, is posting sales account में नहीं की, cash को तो correctly record किया है. So entry, what mistake you have done here is, see, cash is correctly done. So cash account debit 5,000, but जो posting करना था sales account में, but not posted at all in the sales account. So two sales account, this is missing. You have not at all posted anything. So keep the credit side blank, not posted. So two sales is missing here. And do the reverse of the wrong entry, that is dash account debit and to cash 5,000. Now for your rectified entry, compare the right and the reverse. See, cash here and cash at your credit, debit and credit. So you can cancel cash, cancel it, cash and cash. And what are you left with? Dash account debit 5,000 and in credit 2 sales. So 2 sales account 5,000. Okay, so one side is again missing. Can you pass any entry without debit and credit? No. Entry rule is only based debit and equal and opposite credit. Now you can't pass any entry. So write here no entry. What you have to do? Sales account to be credited by 5,000. Just sales account to be credited by 5,000. Okay, moving on to the next question.